Hi everyone, this is Rubens Gardelli from Gardelli Specialty Coffees, and I'm here to present you the new entry of the week, and it's from Yemen. I'm very excited because I only release one lot every year, every crop, and this one was really standing out on the cupping table from many different suppliers, different samples, and even auction lots. I had the privilege to try and to taste, to roast and taste, and this one was really, in my opinion, the best on the table. That's why I bought it, that's why I'm offering it to you. And this lot is coming from a little village called Bani Al Areef. I hope I pronounce it well, and it's like around 15 kilometers west of Haraz. So Haraz is the name of the terroir, the area, and they are this lot was produced by 20 little farmers that the cherries made up this lot, and they are harvesting planted a variety that the supplier wrote that is called Jahadi, but I made some research and I found out that there is not really a scientific genetic name of the variety they are cultivating, because they refer of different names, but the variety is the same. That is why on the website you find a Yemen unknown variety, and that's the reason why they are still making some researches about how to give the proper name of this variety. The only thing that I know is the beans are really small. So I believe is really linked to kind of bourbon. Not typica, because generally typica is a big bean, and you will see if you buy it, small beans. So this lot was picked and processed using the carbonic maceration, or as known as anaerobic fermentation, and I call anaerobic nectar because this lot, the cherries were picked at the perfect stage of ripeness and then brought to a facility of the the exporter facility, where they have like a warehouse or fermenting station, where they place into sealed tanks, and the hair is removed. So the cherries are placed into the sealed tanks, and the hair is removed through carbon dioxide, and they declare to leave the cherries inside these sealed tanks for 4 or 5 days, and then they are simply dried over raised bed. And this process usually it is highly risky for covering the true terroir of any given coffee, any given product. And but in this case, why I bought it is because it's really showcasing the true terroir of what I know is to be the best expression of Harazi, because I've been able to taste in my previous crop, previous years, different lot from Haraz, and I already, that's in my memory the true terroir of this production. So anyway, and this you can expect from this crop, from this coffee, a high sweetness with a strong note of strawberry, white raisin, and dried dates, along with a finish of black tea. And the acidity you will see is it's anaerobic fermentation, but it's very high, and it's partly due to the high elevation that is common in Yemen. So this specifically has been declared between 1700, so 1700 meters up to 2100 meters, and this for sure helps to slow down the maturation of the cherries, increasing the complexity of the flavors and the acidity, the strong acidity, which is always something favorable in the specialty coffee. All right, so I hope you are going to enjoy this new arrival, and it's really limited, like quantity. It's under vacuum, so you may expect a long shelf life, also because they have been dried using shape drying. So you may expect to find it in 2-3 months starting from now. All right, thanks a lot for watching, and see you next time. Bye.